In this video, we'll be talking about how to structure your business so you can become a dropshipping millionaire. So everyone knows the quote that says, we all have the same 24 hours in a day. But what if you hired someone? Now you have 48 hours in a day. And what if you hired another person? Now you have 72 hours in a day, and so on and so forth. By building a team, you can get a lot more done in a day than the guy sitting next to you who's working by himself. This is how the wealthiest entrepreneurs catapult their businesses. In this video, we'll be talking about how to delegate your tasks to increase your profits. And stay till the end because I have some key takeaways for you. First, let's start with the easiest yet most nerve-wracking task: customer service. Customer service is time-consuming. It's going to affect your mood when you're dealing with angry customers. It's not a revenue-generating task, and it's the easiest to hire for. I personally use Upwork to hire customer service agents. You can create an account, you can post a job, and start filtering through your candidates. When you hire someone on Upwork, you'll be able to see their keyboard activity, their mouse activity, and it'll take a screenshot every 10 minutes. This way you know that the person you just hired is actually working. Now, when you hire them, make sure you have customer service templates ready for them. This way you can simplify the onboarding process. As for communicating with customers, I personally use Help Scout for customer service. You can keep track of response times, and it's priced lower than other companies that I've seen. Next, you'll want to hire someone to place orders for you, whether that's on AliExpress or DSers, and you'll also want someone to build out your product pages, if not the same person. Depending on the workload and level of difficulty, you can hire one person to do both tasks, or you could just hire two separate people. I generally don't like to hire more than one person for multiple tasks, but there are exceptions. Now, depending on the dropshipping model that you're using, you may or may not need a video editor. I primarily focus on image ads, so it's not a position that I would need to fill, but if you are running video ads, it's something you should definitely highly consider. Now, if you've made it to this stage, this is when you'd want to hire a bookkeeper. There's nothing more accurate than someone going through your bank statements, your credit cards, your accounts payable, your accounts receivable, and analyzing everything in real time. This will keep you in check, and you'll understand where your business stands. Now that you've delegated these 4 to 5 tasks, you can now focus on the higher level jobs. At this stage, you would hire a product researcher, a media buyer, and an operations manager. Do not hire these all at once. They're each going to take a lot of time to teach, and you might have to keep reteaching over and over again until you have a solid candidate. The product research position is one of the most crucial parts of this business. I know that the more quality products that I can find and test, the more money I make. For me to outsource something that significant, it would require a lot of training and a lot of time. The media buyer position is an art of its own. You don't want this person just following rules. You want this person thinking outside the box, testing new strategies, testing new budgets. And this will require a certain type of personality that you'll need to find. And an operations manager will need to know the ins and outs of your business before they could take the reins. This is the basic groundwork that you would need to have consistent results and for you to treat your business as a business. If you can fill all these positions with quality people, your focus is no longer going to be how to reply to Nancy because she got the wrong pillowcase or what budget to set for a new ad set. Your focus now is going to be managing and guiding these people to bring your business to the next level. Now, before we conclude this video, I want to leave you guys with 5 key takeaways that were not mentioned in this video. Number 1, don't hire too early. If you just got your first sale, now is not the time to hire. You'll want to hire once consistent money is coming in and you can actually afford to hire someone. You also need time to teach them. Don't expect any of these hires to just know what to do once they get hired. Number 2, be a leader. The more involved you are with your employees, the better the dynamic, the less mistakes you have, and the faster you'll grow. Remember, this is your business and you're the one who needs to control it, not them. Number 3, create SOPs. They're called standard operating procedures. It's basically all of the information that a new hire would need. As you teach the first employee of a specific position, you should be recording everything. This will save you tons of time if you need to replace someone or just add an additional team member. Number 4, don't forget to utilize AI and ChatGPT. All these new tools can help you with copywriting, video editing, customer service, so on and so forth. And last but not least, Number 5, if you don't delegate, you'll be stuck in a hamster wheel, doing the same thing with the same results and never growing. As always, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Alex Gelfand, and I'll see you in the next one.